Hi team, hi, it's David back again, just coming to have a quick chat to you. Again, thinking about AI, thinking about education, thinking about AI education in economics. So, here we go. Let's break this down. Let's do full economics for just a minute, because we need to think about how, as teachers, we're going to teach the economics of AI. So, market structure. Who owns the AI? Think about OpenAI, Anthropic, Google. That's a massive market concentration. What does that mean for competition, for innovation, for access? What are their algorithms pushing? Are they going to start advertising as well as doing the AI stuff? All right. What will happen in there? Labour markets. Which jobs will AI augment, improve, versus which jobs will they replace? If you're a junior analyst, maybe. If you're a senior economist who is synthesizing complex economic and government policy, not yet. It is complicated. Information economics. AI makes information cheap, but verification expensive. So maybe our new scarcity is the truth. Think about that. So what about this next one? Here we go. Externalities. Anything you produce from Gen AI generates CO2, using up electricity, using up water. Seriously, AI training uses massive amounts of energy. Who is paying those environmental costs? Oh, here we go. Next one. On inequality or equity issues, the digital divide. Premium AI tools cost money. Some of those top tiers are expensive. Free versions have limits. So in education, are we actually creating a two-tier or more educational system? All right. And now let's get to some practical things about education and AI. Let's have some quick fire practical advice. All right. Whether you're a student or a teacher, let's say student, use AI as a study buddy, not a replacement. It is like a really enthusiastic tutor, but they're occasionally wrong. Always fact check. If it cites a source, go and find the source. If it can't be found, it might not exist, and get rid of the source. Choose something else. Use it to generate practice questions, then improve them yourself. Put your answers back into the AI and get it to give you the feedback. When AI makes a mistake, that's a learning opportunity. Why is that answer wrong? Okay, teachers, have a look at this. Start small. Use AI to generate discussion questions. Improve those discussion questions with your students. Transparency. You've got to show your AI prompts. Model the process to your students. When AI screws up, celebrate it. Say, I don't know, look, the AI just hallucinated a theory. Let's talk about why. Design assessments that require judgment, synthesis, and real-world application. The World Economic Forum says 44% of workers' skills are going to be disrupted by 2027. Economics education, or education in general, that ignores AI is education that is going to be ignoring the reality. Thank you very much, team. Thank you for listening to me again. All right, I hope you have a good day. Please like, comment, subscribe. What do you think is going to happen? How do you think we can better improve our education systems using AI? Like, comment, subscribe, add your thoughts in the comments. All right, let me know if there's something else you want me to discuss. Otherwise, hey, Cornetto, have a fantastic day. We'll see you again.